Station Houston, space to ground 2. Houston is go for final approach. Stand by for final approach initiation call.
Station copies go for final approach and standing by.
And you heard there the crew being advised that the teams are go for final approach.
All right, the teams here are talking through. There is an opportunity to execute the final approach initiation much earlier than anticipated to beat a 7-minute handover, or a handover in 7 minutes. We can expect the teams, they're talking about it now, to go ahead and execute that maneuver. And they just did. Final approach initiation has been commenced.
Station Houston on 2. Starliner final approach has begun. Perform steps 8 and 9 in 1.102.
Station copies. We see approach to docking port for the vehicle mode, steps 8 and 9 in work.
Starliner inside 10 meters. And on the move, 0.04 meters per second. It'll take 4 minutes to close this distance of what is now less than 9 meters to the International Space Station's forward port. Imagery we're seeing coming from one of the external cameras on the ISS. Just shifted the views. Now watching Starliner make its final approach. Docking ring extended. Seven meters away from the forward port. Estimated contact a little bit more than 2 minutes. Crossing 2 minutes to contact right now. Starliner continuing to close in on the International Space Station at a distance of 5.3 meters, closing in at 0.05 meters per second. Alternating views between the International Space Station and the Starliner sensors themselves as they close in on the forward port of the Harmony module. Starliner looking to connect to the international docking adapter there at the forward end of Harmony. Docking ring extended. You can see some of the separation coming in with that inner ring. Those 3 pedals will inside 4 meters. One minute to contact. Inside 3 meters. Quiet in the control room. Starliner continuing to close in. Two meters, Starliner coming 2 meters to the International Space Station. One meter to docking, less than 20 seconds. Press to dock. Contact, capture.
Soft capture confirmed.
Copy. Station showing good soft capture.
Boeing Starliner spacecraft completes its historic first docking to the International Space Station, opening a new avenue of access for crews to the orbiting laboratory.
That docking time comes at 7:28 p.m. Central Time. The International Space Station was 271 statute miles over the South Indian Ocean with the Starliner attached to its forward port.
Cheers all around the control room after that docking by Boeing Starliner spacecraft. The docking is not complete. The docking ring that was extended will have to be retracted to complete the capture. Right now it's a soft capture. Starliner connected to the forward port of the International Space Station.